Idol, beginner ako, kakasimula ako palang mag-workout. Kakasimula mo lang mag-workout. Kahit 15 minutes ka lang sa gym, dahil bago siya, mag-a-adapt yung katawan natin, magkakaroon ka ng newbie gains. Idol, magkaedad tayo, 45 years old na ako, 60 years old na ako. Ganun din yun, newbie gains. Huwag natin bibiglain, hindi tayo magkakamuscle agad-agad. It takes more than a couple of months para magka-adjust, magka-muscle. It takes a lot of months, mga 6 months, para maano yung joints and tendons and ligaments. Kung hindi, may injured tayo. Huwag tayo mag-ego lifting. Set aside natin, proper form, kahit 2 pounds lang. Kailangan makontract mo yung muscle. Pag hindi mo nakokontract yung muscle, hindi mo na-work yung muscle. Basic program, kahit kanino, kahit advanced, magdagdag lang kayo ng weight. Kung advanced kayo o professional, bodyweight squat, bodyweight push-ups, bodyweight pull-ups, plank. Ito, bonus na, squat thrust. Lahat yan may videos yan. Do what works for you. Boom! Parang compound movements na rin yun, di ba? Pwede kayo mag-deadlift.